Cross Rubbing Alcohol, the official rubbing alcohol of the PBA. Partner natin sa kalusugan.
Welcome back, Philippines. Final quarter po dito sa ating ikaw o ako labanan para sa pagkakataong makaharap ang Alaska sa Commissioner's Cup Finals. Naagaw ng Gordon's Gin ng opensa ng San Miguel Beer.
Partner, may bagong pinakita si Coach Robert Jaworski. Ito yung shot. Ito yung tiro ni Pino Harencio. Ito ang sinasabi natin. Kung pumutok ang Gordon's Gin from 3-point territory, baka tumiklop na lang ang depensa ng San Miguel.
Deja vu. Mangungutin kaya ang San Miguel Beer. Remember, Pito Harencio had 8 triples. Last time up, 6 sa fourth quarter. Samantala may illegal D na itatawag si referee De Leon.
Partner, second straight time nakita natin ang double team defense ng Gordon's Gin on the ball carrier. So malaking adjustment sa defense ni Coach Robert Jaworski opening the fourth period. They are pressuring the ball carrier of San Miguel, and that's Olsen Racela. At nakakuha naman ang tawag ng San Miguel Beer ng illegal defense against Gordon's Gin.
Alalahanin natin mga kaibigan ng Gordon's Gin in this conference. Abante sa kanilang head-to-head matchup, 2-1. Racela missing that one. San Miguel Beer won their last semis outing. Congressmen John Osmeña and Dondon Bagatsing, mga workhorses ng Kongreso yan. Enjoying this basketball game, and why not? This has been a tremendous struggle, Kinito. Napakagandang laro ang pinapakita ng dalawang koponan.
Well, classic match. Ito nakikita natin. San Miguel Beer versus Gordon's. Ito si Jeff Ward.
At may foul si Chris King. May abante ngayon si Jeff Ward dyan sa matchup na yan. At least sa poste.
Well, as far as that's concerned, baka pa pwede natin sabihin may advantage siya. No? Pero ito si Chris King is a player who knows where to go to play defense.
Kita mo naman yung matchup na yan. Ganyan ka lang. It cannot be any closer.
Yes, and Jeff Ward has an advantage only in block shots. Partner, one thing about Chris King is that he is a player who knows how to play under pressure. He's got NBA experience. Naglaro na yan for the Vancouver Grizzlies as well as the Seattle Supersonics. At ito naman si Jeff Ward is a player with no championship or big-time basketball experience. He played for a small school, Tiffin University in Ohio. Ang home attendance sila only 1,200 people. And that's the second division of an NAIA league, which is the National Association of Intercollegiate Athletics. So that's not a big league.
Mas marami pa yung Rafa-Hapa Cup yung ginagawa na commissioner natin si Willie Marcel.
Alam natin ito si Chris King, comes from Wake Forest, which is a powerhouse Division I school.
Doon sa pagpasok ni Chris King, may foul na ibinigay si Ives Dignadice. Third personal foul on Dignadice. Only a minute and 3 seconds gone by dito sa fourth quarter. It's a 2-point lead para sa San Miguel Beer. It's been touch and go at may foul na naman. Back-to-back fouls ni Dignadice. Ang hindi mo gusto mangyari sa fourth quarter, you get into the penalty early.
That's right. Already with 2 team fouls in San Miguel Beer. Ang aga pa natin dito sa fourth period, you saw Nelson Asartono still cooling his heels with 4 personal fouls. Eto na naman, yung no-post position. And that time, pinangga ni Chris King si Ives Ingaliza. Napakaganda ng position defense ni Ives.
Second foul ni Chris King. And the ball will go back to San Miguel Beer. Muli po kami nagagalak na makasama kayo Pilipinas, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga provincial viewers. Diyan po sa Baguio City, diyan po sa San Esteban, Ilocos Sur, at sa Dagupan. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Noli Yara po kasama si Kinito Henson live from the Cuneta Astrodome.
Ito na naman, on the low block, Jeff Ward.
Gets inside and taken away by Chris King.
Masyado nang predictable yung offensive play ng San Miguel Beer. At na-anticipate na ni Chris King kung anong gagawin nila.
Si Harencio, tinatauhan maigi ni Olsen Racela. Binigyan ng screen ni Chris King. Siya pa rin ang may tangan. 8 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Na-double team si Chris King. Nilabas kay JB Gayoso. 4 seconds to shoot. Locks in. Spin move. What a move! Wala! Rebound. Nakuha ni Art de la Cruz.
At Coach Robert Jaworski asking for the foul. Walang tawag ang referee.
Sonny Jaworski trying to lead his wards to a third consecutive final stint. Inside pass, natapik. Mapupulot ni Chris King. Pasa niya, muting kamagaw. Locks in with the leather. And his pass deflected by Bong Alvarez. Alvarez ngayon, na double team. And they will wisely set it up.
Ayun, hinahanap na naman ni Alvarez si Jeff Ward. Now they're going for an isolation. And he will the double team.
Libre si Ward. Inside pass de la Cruz. At may foul sa paghabol ni JV Gayoso. That extra pass doing wonders para sa San Miguel Beer. Third personal foul yan ni JV Gayoso. What a game.
Halos hindi na tayo nakakahinga rito. This is indeed a classic encounter.
Oo. Medyo napapahina na yun.
Ayun, dalawang import natin.
Kita mo naman yung pawis, ha?
Yes,
Hindi lang sa
oo.
bumbunan kasi pati sa baba, tuloy-tuloy.
Dripping perspiration. Yan ang tinatawag natin, blood, sweat, and guts.
And that's why the PBA is so popular. Yung talagang they give it all. Walang mga rehas, walang mga gloves yan, walang mga padding-padding yan. Sheer guts and talent. Samantala si Art de la Cruz has played well coming off the bench here para kay Ron Jacobs. Missing the second free throw, however. Tatlo ang abante ng San Miguel Beer. 9.5 remaining dito sa ating final quarter.
Ito na naman.
And Chris King taking advantage ng pagkakadulas yata ni Dignadice.
Nadula si Ives. And Jeff Ward trying to block. No call. And another 2 points for Chris King.
Chris King now with 20 points. Parehong output